Ready to bring your PS5 controller back to life? Let's dive in. First things first, restart your PS5. It's amazing how often this simple trick works. Next, check your controller's battery. A low charge can cause unresponsive buttons. Plug it in and let it juice up. Now, inspect those buttons. Any dirt or debris? Use compressed air and a microfiber cloth with a dab of isopropyl alcohol to clean. Still stuck? Try a toothpick or soft brush for those hard-to-reach spots. Let it dry completely before testing. Check your USB cable. Swap it out if needed. Software time. Update your PS5 system software and your controller firmware. Go to Settings, then System, and follow the steps. Still no luck? Reset your DualSense. Use a paperclip on the reset button near L2 and repair it with your console. Finally, check for custom button assignments in accessibility settings. If all else fails, try another controller or test yours on a PC. And remember, professional help is always an option.